don't stay, when the pain run deep and it don't just fade. Every scar that I got, every loss I faced, built the man that I am, yeah, it shaped my way. I was lost in the smoke, couldn't see too far, had to learn who I was through the deepest scars. Now I stand in the truth that I used to fight. I was built in the dark, now I walk in light. Look, I ain't the same, I evolved through pain. Every fall, every loss wasn't all in vain. Now the fire that burned, trying to take my name, turned into the reason that I changed the game. I rise from the ashes,
stronger than before.
through the fire and the flames, I don't break no more.
Every scar, every loss, every tear that fell,
Turn me into someone that survived the hell.
I rise from the ashes.
I don't fear the fall, if I lose it again, I'll rebuild it all.
Through the dark, through the pain, through the endless crashes,
I rise, I rise
from the ashes.
Yeah, I faced every demon that I used to hide, every doubt, every fear that was deep inside, and I broke every chain that was holding me. Now I move with the strength that I couldn't see. I ain't running no more, I don't back away. Every step that I take, yeah, I'm here to stay. And the past don't know me, it just made me real. Every wound, every scar taught me how to heal, yeah. Now I stand where I fell, but I stand up tall. I ain't scared of the fire, I done felt it all. And the truth hit different when you been that low. There's a strength in the pain that the strong ones know.
I rise from the ashes, stronger than before.
Through the fire and the flames, I don't break no more.
Every scar, every loss, every tear that fell,
Turn me into someone that survived the hill.
I rise from the ashes.
I don't fear the fall, if I lose it again, I'll rebuild it all.
Through the dark, through the pain, through the endless crashes,
I rise, I rise.
from the ashes. If it all burns down again, I won't lose my way. I've been to the end before, I'm not afraid.
Yeah,
This ain't where it ends,
yeah.
it's where I begin.
From the ashes,
It's where I begin. From the ashes.
Wind swishing through the branches, sounding like a name. Rock walls are humming, low and strange. Water keeps it falling, but it don't sound right. Like the hills are breathing in the dead of the night. I can hear echoes calling my name as I walk along. I know it ain't a game. The hills got shadows, something don't feel right. That cave keeps talking long into the night. Shadow walking, didn't hear sound. Footsteps moving, but no one around. Drip from the cave, turned into a tone. Sounded real close as I stood there alone. I can hear echoes calling my name as I walk alone. I know it ain't a game. The hills got shadows, something don't feel right. That gate keeps talking long into the night. step on stone. Came back twice, but I came alone.
Lost count.
I like to believe in a love so strong. I like to be certain that nothing could go wrong.
Nowhere. Alright.
I like to be faithful to every word you say. I like to be grateful for every single day. I'm in desperate straits. You know I can't go on. My mind is separate when the feeling's gone, and all of my heroes and my idols have gone. All of my brothers and my sisters have moved on. I'm in desperate straits. You know I can't go on. My mind is separate when the feeling's gone. I'm in desperate straits. You know I can't go on. My mind is separate when the feeling's gone. All of my heroes and my idols have gone. All of my brothers and my sisters have moved on.
Starting to not look so much like a fatty.
I got tired of explaining.